Did you know you can win the war with this powerful natural drink against high blood pressure, cholesterol and triglycerides? Have you ever wondered what really triggers high blood pressure? It is quite difficult to blame only one factor: smoking, being overweight or obese, lack of physical activity, too much salt in the diet, too much alcohol consumption, that is more than 1 to 2 drinks per day, stress, older age, genetics, family history of high blood pressure, chronic kidney disease, adrenal and thyroid disorders, sleep apnea, have proven to contribute to this condition. It is surely, therefore, quite difficult to avoid some of these factors, but observing a healthy lifestyle can at least reduce the risk. Good news: you can win the war against this condition with this powerful natural drink. Be sure to watch this video till the very end. Do not forget to subscribe to Life's Natural Meds channel, like this video, click the bell notification icon and share with friends and family. We wish to bring you practical advices on how you can improve your health in the comfort of your home. Of all the causes of high blood pressure, our diets have proven to be one of the key contributors. Think of the massive quantity of salt we consume daily, the unhealthy fats and the hidden sugar. These set off any feasible type of many hazardous diseases. You ought to think about to begin being bodily active, to keep regular weight, and is most vital to usually maintain an eye on your LDL cholesterol and blood pressure. Ignorance to good health habits can be a monster. Start keeping off alcohol and quit smoking cigarettes. Consider beginning with all these stated above matters if you desire to guard your health and prevent many diseases. This is one home treatment recipe that will maintain you healthful and will make exceptional modifications to your organism. Ingredients: a half lemon juice, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon organic honey, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a half tablespoons of grated ginger. Preparation: simply blend for a smooth mixture of the ingredients, pour into a jar and store in the refrigerator. During the day, consume small doses of the mixture before taking a meal. If it is difficult to swallow, be free to add a bit of water to the mixture, or even add it to a drink. Health benefits: garlic. This is the most beneficial vegetable ever. It prevents atherosclerosis, reduces triglycerides, cholesterol, and blood sugar. Honey. First of all, eat honey frequently, and you will prevent the accumulation of LDL cholesterol in your blood vessels. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar decreases triglycerides and cholesterol, normalizes the blood sugar and the insulin, and it is incredible for diabetics who have kind 2 diabetes. Ginger. It lowers triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, and it is even extra really useful to those people who are dealing with diabetes, nephritic syndrome, alcoholism, and hypothyroidism. Eat great herbal fats and keep away from processed ingredients. Also, maintain and thought to amplify your bodily exercise as much as you can. We hope you found this video educational, relevant and helpful. Please leave a comment of suggestions of what you might want to see next, and how the video made you feel. Once again, please do not forget to subscribe to Life's Natural Meds channel, like this video, click the bell notification icon and share with friends and family. We wish to bring you practical advices on how you can improve your health in the comfort of your home. Find more health tips videos on our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.